Hi and welcome back to the Simple Web Start channel, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to password protect a page within your website. So if you're new here and you've not got a website yet, then you can go on to the Sitebuilder demo. I'll leave you a link in the description so you can find this page, and if you've got hosting with me, then obviously you can log into your control panel and then go to your editing tool and then follow the video. So what you'll need to do is select a page that you want to password protect. In this case I'm going to say I'm going to protect this page here, and then what you'll need to do is go to settings, make sure you're on the page that you want to put the password protection on, click on the cog, and then from the navigation menu you'll see it says password protected. If you switch that on and then add a password in there, and make sure your password is a long password and it's not a password anybody knows, and don't put in something like 123456 because you know people will be able to get into that page with something as simple as that. So when you've put your password in, save changes, and then when you've saved changes you'll not see any difference within the editor, and what you'll need to do is go over to another browser, and then if you go to the actual page, so let's say I'll refresh this, there you go, that's password protected. So obviously whoever you want to allow to get into this page, then all you would do is give them their password and click login, and then that obviously logs them back into the page that you've selected. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.